Well, good afternoon, guys. Hoping that you're enjoying your afternoon. I am watching AIM stock. Uh, Notice here that ramped up in the morning, and now is getting a little bit of support around 195 here. That tested that area a couple of times, right? You can see a couple of 195s around, and well, I've been watching this now. See what the price action wants to do. It's getting inside of this range right now. It's pulling back close to the 100 simple moving average right here on the 5. But the main idea is what happened in NNVC this morning. For those of you that were in the stream, probably do remember that we spoke about this earlier today when this stock had a pretty decent move around this area when it flushed down right here to 949, which was a daily level a couple of days ago. Let me try to pull this a little closer. See the 949 here? We have a high on this candle here of 949, and as you notice right here, we have another 949. So we got a one test, second test, and so we keep this trend line here. So we have a 948 here in this one as well. So we got a couple of areas, a 949, a couple of candles on the daily. Very important key level of support and resistance, half and whole dollar areas. I cannot really stress this out more than I actually do already. We talk about this kind of stuff a lot. Today I started watching this thing. My monitors went off. You guys that were here, I had my legs, my feet under my desk, and I kicked something by mistake, and I have one of the surge protector boxes. Everything is connected to the same spot to protect my computers, my monitors, and everything from any kind of surge on electricity. That thing got unplugged, one of the monitors, and that made everything change on the computer. So I had to check what happened, plug it back in, turn it on, and then every single window on TC2000 I had to fix. That took a little bit of time. By that time that this bounce was happening, I told you guys I was watching this thing. You can go back and watch the recording. It's archived, and the trade was based on the 15-minute moving average right here bouncing. You see this first candle. If you look on the right hand side, we're gonna be focusing on this candle here in the 15, right? But if you look at right here, okay, on the right window, you're gonna notice that those candles here in the first drop were those ones right there when it actually bounced. I was looking for a test again under the 50 to test the 100 simple moving average that here was sitting at $9.97, being $9.94. Close to 10. I figured it's going to bounce around that support, so I based that trade on that. But when it had this pennant, it was hovering for a few seconds. I was looking for a breakdown under 1050 to come down and test this 100 to the 10. So I was looking for a 50-cent window of the breakdown on these candles. It was holding tight the 1050 area, very tight. And then when it finally broke, I had a order out to be filled, but it just flushed through, and it just gave me a partial order. So I had to cancel the remainder that didn't get filled and just stay with what got filled, because this thing just flushed down. Right here it held, and you can see the low here, 10.11, right? On this candle, we were hovering for a couple of seconds, maybe 10-15 seconds, around 10:05 and at 10:07. You guys know that being so close to that area of support, $10, I was looking for a test there, but I don't sell by the penny around the whole dollar of support. I just don't like doing that. So I like putting my orders 5 cents prior to the areas of support or resistance, whole and half dollar areas. It was hovering around 10:05, 10:07, and all of a sudden I'm trying to get out. They got filled when this thing just flushed down and had this test of the $9.49. So I missed the move on this other 50 cent here. And as you can see here on the 5, it just had a nice retest of this area based on the daily. A nice flag formation on the 5, follow through move, and I missed all of this move on the second candle. Then he bounced right back up, and the rest is history as of right now. You can see what it's doing. It broke under that, and we had a low here of $8.55. So under this possible retest right here, probably go to 8. We're printing what it seems to be a bear flag pattern on the 15 minutes. We probably have a test right here of the 801 and 782. Next area, if it keeps trending down, we can see the 644. Probably have a retest. That's one of the key levels that we have been working with for the last couple of weeks. NNVC, you guys know that is one of my favorite stocks for the last couple of months or so. I have traded this name a few times, and it's actually been a good trader for me. Now, I want to know, and I want to ask you a favor. If you please will let me know which of you will be interested in taking free classes, maybe once, maybe twice a week. It's going to be a private group. It's not going to be on YouTube. It's going to be streamed through the website, traderscolony.com. If you want to get that link, just go and make a free account. I'm going to send out the link for that stream, but I'm going to let you guys know ahead of time when we're going to do that. I got to fix a couple of things before. But if you guys want to do that, I want to see how many people are interested in that. And so if you're interested, just please let me know. Maybe place a comment. And if you don't mind me asking what you think this market is actually going to do over the next couple of days, what your opinion is on the market, if it's going to get red or if it's going to bounce right back up. Notice the pattern in the last couple of years. 2000 tech bubble, 2009, 8, 9, 10, the housing bubble, and then now 2020, this viruses issues. I don't know if I should call it bubble, but the market is being dropped 10%. European markets have dropped, I think, if I'm not mistaken, 13% as of right now, Friday afternoon when they actually closed. So I want to see what your opinion is on those things. And also wanted to let you know that we have a now just opened yesterday a chat on Discord. So if you want to be part of the Discord chat and link up, share ideas, and be, connected all the time, even if the market is closed, I definitely recommend you check it out. I'm gonna place the link on the description. So if you guys want to do that, I highly recommend you guys to do that, because sharing ideas and meeting new people is always convenient. For now, I'm gonna let you guys go. I hope you enjoy the rest of your day. Happy trading, enjoy your weekend, and I will see you guys later. Thank you.